I have osteodegenerative arthritis, but I've also lived a very active life. I've enjoyed being active, being outside. I enjoy sports. With the lifestyle and the degenerative hereditary arthritis, it kind of encouraged my knees to wear out at a younger age than maybe normal. By the time I turned 50, I decided I was going to take care of this. I couldn't live this way any longer. I was very depressed. I felt hopeless because at my age, I walked like I was in my 80s. I sought out Dr. Bowen because I was emotionally and physically broken. I had no relief of pain anymore. I was losing my life. I didn't even realize that I was until I was better. I didn't realize what it was taking from me. My laughter, my smile, my fun, my wanting to go do things. I became the person that everybody said, we'll let her off at the door. Oh, we can't go do that because Gina can't walk that far. I became the person that everybody felt like I had a disability. I didn't have a disability. I have arthritis wearing out my knees. So once I met with Dr. Bowen, we decided that based off my x-rays, my lifestyle, and where I was at, I needed to have orthopedic knee replacements. They wheeled me in for surgery in the morning. So by that afternoon, I was walking down the hallway in the rehabilitation center. So they had taken me to recovery, and I was in the rehab center walking. I couldn't even believe I could do it. By that evening, I was doing stairs. I did the stairs up, the stairs down, and I went back to my room. The next day, they said, you're going home. You know, I told Dr. Bowen when I saw him at my first year, and I told him all the stuff I had been able to do within the year I'd had him done. It wasn't another year. It was the year I did my knees. I went up 242 stairs. I biked the Hiawatha. I hadn't been on a bike in over 10 years. I did all these physically active things that I thought I'd never do again. I told him that I think you are a superhero. He said, oh no, I'm not a superhero. And I said, what does a superhero do? Extraordinary things for the ordinary person. That's what you did for me. You did an extraordinary thing. I walk again. I can even run if I want to. People have said that to me, that your face looks softer, your face looks prettier, your face looks, I just look different, and it's no pain. Pain is the most horrible thing that is driven on someone's face, and it drives your mood, your attitude, what you do. It's horrible when you're down like that. When you can be picked back up and have your knees work again and be able to go on and function and enjoy life and just get up every day and enjoy that you don't have pain. That is the biggest factor, is just waking up and you have no pain. Now I just feel like a whole new person. I sure appreciate what Kootenai Health and Dr. Bowen, the therapy team, did for me.